The Supreme Court ruled that a woman cannot be arrested after sunset and before sunrise. In dowry cases, FIR registration is mandatory. The triple talaq practice was declared unconstitutional. The court also upheld equal property rights for Christian women. The Vishaka case, 1997, led to workplace sexual harassment laws, later codified in the 2013 Act. Nirja Bhanot, a Pan Am purser, died saving passengers in the 1986 hijacking, highlighting the need for better aviation security. Air India faced multiple gender discrimination cases, including service condition challenges by female flight attendants. C.B. Muthamma, the first female IFS officer, fought and won against gender-biased service rules in 1979. The Madhukar Narayan Mardikar case reinforced a woman's right to dignity, regardless of character. In Rupan Deol Bajaj v. KPS Gill, 1995, the Supreme Court upheld sexual harassment protections under Sections 354 and 509 IPC, emphasizing that no one is above the law. The heroic actions of Nirja Bhanot during the Pan Am Flight 73 hijacking in 1986 showcased her extraordinary bravery. As a flight attendant, she risked her life to protect passengers from terrorists in Karachi, ensuring their escape despite imminent danger. Her sacrifice was recognized with the Ashoka Chakra, setting a precedent for aviation security and valor in crisis situations. In Air India v. Nirgesh Mirza, 1981, female air hostesses were subjected to discriminatory service conditions, including termination upon marriage or pregnancy. The case challenged gender-based employment policies, and the Supreme Court ruled them arbitrary and unconstitutional. This judgment strengthened gender equality in employment, ensuring that workplace policies must align with constitutional principles of fairness. The case of C.B. Muthamma v. Union of India, 1979, revolved around discriminatory service rules in the Indian Foreign Service, which restricted married women from holding certain positions. Muthamma, an IFS officer, contested these policies, leading the Supreme Court to strike down such gender-based restrictions. The ruling reinforced the principles of equality in public employment under Articles 14 and 16 of the Indian Constitution. In state of Maharashtra v. Madhukar Narayan Mardikar, 1991, a woman's right to dignity was challenged due to her perceived character. The case highlighted the issue of bias against women based on their social background. The Supreme Court ruled that every woman, regardless of her character or occupation, has an inherent right to privacy and dignity, reinforcing gender justice in legal proceedings. The case of Mary Roy v. State of Kerala, 1986, was a landmark judgment on inheritance rights. Mary Roy, a Syrian Christian woman, challenged the discriminatory provisions of the Travancore Christian Succession Act, which denied women equal inheritance rights. The Supreme Court upheld gender equality, ruling in favor of equal property rights for Christian women, thereby advancing constitutional principles of fairness and justice.